This clubhouse is a meeting point for a friends gang. One girl from the gang is having an idea. She wants her gang to participate in a talent show. But she's worried if they would agree to it or not. Will they agree? Will they participate? Who wins? Do you wanna know? So let's see how they do.
No, what am I gonna say? I'm so tense. Oh no. What do I do? Oh no, I dropped. Or should I do it or not? I'll do it. It's fine. It's fine. Howdy, mate. What brings us here? Hi. Hi. I invited you so we could maybe make up a band. A band? A band? A band? That sounds like fun. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, la.
Wait. What does myths and legends mean?
It means like something's like really, awesome. When you're like a legendary person.
Uh-huh.
You just had. I don't know if I should.
Do you have any snacks up here because I'm really hungry? I ate 5 rice today.
I don't.
And I need some pizza. I'm starving.
Shh, guys, let her explain about the all this.
Look, this looks beautiful.
Yes, this is so beautiful.
It's like a vein.
Look at that.
Yeah.
So
this is our clubhouse, and I want you guys to be part of the 6 Bright Stars.
Okay,
sure.
I'll think about it.
Sure.
Ooh,
Yeah.
sounds great. Yo.
Why? It's gonna be fun.
3 down, yes. 4 down, yes. Sorry. Okay, so when is your concert?
It's 1 month.
1 month, okay. Well, do you promise to practice every day?
Yeah. Does it mean making me famous?
Yes,
Yeah, it does.
Fine.
Very much.
Fine. But after this, I need pizza. I'm starving.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Okay.
Stop it.
Everyone who votes to do
All
the
in
band, raise your
favor.
hand. All in favor.
I want me to be famous.
And I just want to do this because this is gonna be fun. Like, look at this. Look at all this she made. This is a checklist. You get 4 people in the band. That's us 4. And then become besties, obviously. Rewrite and dance. Oh, doing Dance Monkey?
Yeah.
I love that song.
I don't know about this one, but
Snip that.
there should be being famous on one of those.
Wait, what?
No.
Oh,
okay.
eat cupcakes.
Eat cupcakes.
Eat cupcakes. Eat cupcakes.
Yeah.
Oh, you
ice cream and
care.
churros.
Yum. Oh, you care about it being famous too.
And there's some pizza.
Maybe.
Yummy natto.
Yummy man.
What is
This, guys.
Sansus?
Look at this.
What does Sansus mean?
That's gonna
Oh,
be Sansus,
really?
like
Initials like order.
Is this
Yeah.
my name?
So it's gonna be like that.
So, well, everybody has started the band.
Yeah.
We gotta go practice now.
When should we meet?
Let's meet tomorrow.
Okay. Tomorrow at 3.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Hello, welcome to the talent show. There are 3 steps up the Sophie, and you have to go this way for it. Chicken wing, hot dog in the load, chicken macaroni, chili with macaroni. Bye, I'm done. Next step in renegade, 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 renegade. Renegade, renegade, renegade. Okay. Next step is Skylar and Skylar.
Yay!
Front kick. Side kick. Spin side kick.
Jump front kick. Skip side kick. Crescent kick. Crescent kick, yeah. And front kick. That's it. Bravo! Up is Emily. Brick wall, waterfall. Really think you know it all, but no, I do. So boom with the attitude. See my pinky, see my thumb, see my fist. You better run away. No wait, come back. I think you need a tic tac. Not one, not two, but the whole six packs. Rock and roll, baby, lose control, baby. I'm in charge, baby. Renegade, renegade, renegade. Yeah, bye. Next up is Mia and gymnastics on the grass. The next step is the 6 signing stars.
They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take my hand, my dear, place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by. Now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you, see you, see you every time. Now I like your style. Ooh, you make me wanna cry. Now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So they say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, 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 oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, hey, hey. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take my hand, my dear, and look me in my eyes. Dressed like a monkey, I've been dancing my whole life. Now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you, see you, see you every time. Now I like your style. Ooh, you make me wanna cry. Now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So they say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, 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 oh. And I've never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, hey, hey. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again, all again.
Did you love the show? Did you notice?
Start.
Oh my God,
OMG.
you can't be famous? Hey guys, I got an email.
You win?
We did.
Oh. Just kidding.